There we go.
Okay, so hi everybody. Good evening, and my name is Courtney Mills, and I would like to just tell everybody a little bit about myself tonight. A few interesting things. I'm an extremely curious person. I remember things very easily, and for some reason, ever since I was little, I've always had this natural ability to ride horses. No training or nothing. So let's just get to the point. Curiosity. I've always been an extremely curious person ever since I was little. I love to learn new things. I love to read books and anything I can do to find out new facts. Started going to the craft store. I just would buy different projects and stuff like that so I could try new things. And now, luckily, somehow, I've learned how to cross stitch. I know how to make purses and clothing. And I actually know how to paint, although not that very well. Paint by numbers is my best one. So, but I mean, obviously, curiosity is a really good thing for anybody to have, and some people do lack that. And curiosity is one of my strongest traits. I know a lot of new things because of that, and I'm very happy for it. Another thing, I remember things easily. For some reason, I can watch a documentary one time, and years later, I can tell you almost everything about it just from hearing one word. Like, I've watched Titanic documentaries, and years later you can be like, oh, the Titanic, and I'll correct you when you're wrong because I still remember everything. I read the book The Giver 3 years ago, and I can probably summarize every single chapter for you right now, and I haven't read it since then. So I have this great memory. I'm able to pass tests without studying, just from looking over something one time. So that's something that I pride myself in, that I'm able to remember stuff so easily. Not many people would call that a very good trait, but I think it is, just because a lot of people have memories that they have to train, and I've never had to train mine. I just have a great memory. Finally, I'm naturally good at riding horses. It's probably my most favorite thing about me. It's my best trait about me. Ever since I was 5 years old, I've been able to get on a horse and ride it. I've never had training. I've never done anything, actually. I can just get on a horse and ride. My uncle brought this old mare by our house one time, and he had to leave her in our field for a couple of months because he was going out of town. And first thing my mother said was, do not get near that horse until we have a saddle and we have somebody out there with you. So of course, as soon as my mother goes inside and continues about her day, I'm out in the pasture with a rope, ready to go. My mother caught me, she scolded me, she yelled at me. She did everything humanly possible to make me believe that what I did was wrong. But I was riding that horse, so I was happy. And she realized that day that I had a natural ability for it, and after that she got me lessons, and we went through training, and I actually rode professionally for 3 years. So, I'm very well at that. But, again, that's just a couple of things about me. I'm proud of them. Some people might not be proud of them, but I'm very proud of myself, and I think those are things that make me unique, and they make me who I am, Courtney Mills. So, honestly, I'm a very curious girl. I have an epic memory, and I'm great at riding horses. So pretty much, if you ever need to know how to ride a horse, I can probably tell you what kind of horse it is, how old it is, and how to ride it. I'm just that good. Thank you.